Hello everyone, this is Sia Abhijit Misra and welcome to this new video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the single candlestick pattern that is basically called as the shooting star. So let's understand the logic behind the shooting star and how we can use this single candlestick pattern to trade or to invest or to exit our position. So let's understand the shooting star candlestick pattern which you are seeing here. That is basically ulta of the paper umbrella candlestick pattern. That means in case of paper umbrella candlestick pattern, how normally it was looking like this. The body you will see and there will be no upper shadow, but you are seeing a lower shadow. The lower shadow is basically 2 times of the body size. But in case of shooting star, what happened, this is basically ulta in the sense you will see a body here, but you will not see any lower shadow and you will see a upper shadow. And the upper shadow what you will see here, that is basically 2 times of the body size. If these conditions are basically satisfied, then this is called as shooting star. If you see here this particular candlestick pattern, what happened actually, there is a body size, the body you can see here, and the shadow, the upper shadow what you are seeing, which is basically 2 times of the size of the the body. Okay, so this is basically called as shooting star. So let's understand what is the meaning of shooting star. So shooting star is like a inverted paper umbrella candlestick pattern. Okay, so इसका क्या मतलब है? Shooting star candlestick pattern what you are seeing, that is basically ulta of the paper umbrella candlestick pattern what we have learned already. So already I have explained how it is ulta. So paper umbrella normally looks like this, okay, and shooting star normally look like this. That's the first thing. Second thing is basically this is having a long upper shadow. The upper shadow what you are seeing here, this is basically very long as compared to the body size. Okay, this is having a longer upper shadow. The third thing is basically the length of shadow is twice the size of the body. That means the body is basically this much and the length of the shadow, the last shadow whatever we are seeing here, this is basically 2 times. You can say this is basically 2 times of the size of the body. Okay, it may be a red candle or it may be a green, but it doesn't matter. So that means the shooting star what you are seeing, that may be a red candle or that may be a green candle, but that is not relevant that much. Okay, but red candle provide more evidence of bearishness. So what happened actually, the shooting star candlestick pattern, more or less you can say this is purely a bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, so if this is a bearish candlestick pattern and also the shooting star what you are seeing, that is a red candle, so this brings this gives more evidence or more confidence to the trader to enter into a trade. So इसका क्या मतलब है? So take the example, there is a basically what is happening, there is a uptrend in the market that is happening, and then after what is happening, a shooting star is basically getting formed. So how the shooting star normally looks? Shooting star normally looks like this. Okay, and also there is another candlestick pattern or another uptrend is happening, and then after you can say there is another shooting star is basically formed, which is basically you can say red color shooting star. If you take all these two scenarios, what happen actually, this red color gives more confidence than the green color. That means if you have 2 options, so take the example, in one option there is an uptrend and then after one shooting star is basically getting formed, which is basically a green candle, and second option is basically you can say this is the option number 1, and second option is basically what happened, there is a uptrend and then after a shooting star is basically formed, which is a red candle. So out of these 2 conditions, out of these 2 chart pattern, if somebody advise or somebody asks you to take or choose one candlestick pattern, in such a case I'll recommend all of you to choose the second candlestick pattern, which is basically a red candle or red shooting star that is basically formed. Okay, the next thing is basically what happened, the prior trend must be a bullish candle. इसका क्या मतलब है? I told ना, like if you see here the prior trend before formation of the shooting star, the prior trend before formation shooting star, that is a uptrend. Okay, that's what basically it is trying to say here. The prior trend, so what happened actually, bull are absolute control and seller enter into the market and start selling and shooting star is basically formed. Okay, so ये थोड़ा complicated हो सकता है आपको समझने के लिए. Let me just draw the chart, draw the candlestick. Let's understand how shooting star is basically formed. How shooting star normally looks, आपको मतलब मैंने already बता दिया है how the shooting star is look. It looks like this. a body will be there, and there will be upper shadow and no lower shadow will be there, but practically there may be small lower shadow that you need to consider. So what is happening actually, take the example, the stock is basically trading at like 100 rupees. The stock opened on this particular date. A lot of people started like what I can say selling at this particular price point. What happened? The stock will come down. At what price? 90. Again also people will come, they will start selling. What will happen? Again the stock will fall down. Okay, then what will happen? Again the stock will fall down. So take the example, the stock is trading at around 70. Right now what will happen actually, again some buyers will enter here. So some buyers will be enter here. So what they will do actually, they will try to take the stock off. Okay, they will take off. Again many sellers will start like selling. Okay, due to that what will happen actually, a lot of fight will happen between the buyer and seller, but buyer are not able to take the stock to a or more than this particular price point. So if these conditions are satisfied, then only a shooting star is basically getting formed. Let's remove one thing. Let's remove erase area. तो इसको रिमूव करते हैं अभी. ओके, इसको रिमूव करते हैं. चलो और एक बार मतलब इसको डाल देता हूँ. ओके, so how this shooting star is basically look, you can see here the science behind the shooting star is basically this one. What is happening? So there are basically many sellers are there. That sellers are trying to sell the stock. So due to that the shooting star is basically formed. So this is the science, or this is the logic behind the formation of shooting star. So what happened actually? So due to that the shooting star, wherever there is a form, that is purely a bearish candle. So if the previous trend, if the previous trend is basically uptrend, and then after what is happening, a shooting star is basically getting formed. In such a case what will happen, the stock may fall down. Okay, and if the stock is already falling and then after also a shooting star is basically getting formed, means somebody trying to, what I can say, somebody ulta मैंने बोलते हैं, I'm so sorry, this is paper umbrella, this is not shooting star, but let's remove that one. Okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so take the example, the stock is basically going up, and then after what is happening, a shooting star is basically getting formed. So that means many pressure may come. Same manner, if the stock has fallen like anything, and then after one shooting star is basically formed here, so what will happen? It is also indication that bear are also trying to sell in the market. So that is basically, you can say, shooting star, or you can say the shooting star wherever it is formed, this is purely a bearish candle. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, so let's understand what is happening actually. In this case also the stock has gone off like anything. Okay, then after what is happening, a shooting star is basically formed. Shooting star is basically formed here. Okay, so due to that what happened actually, the stock has again fallen down. Same manner, if you see the same thing, uptrend, then after shooting star formation the stock has fallen down. Uptrend, the shooting star formation, then after stock has gone up. Okay, so these are basically the concept or the logic behind the shooting star. So I hope you understood that one. So remember one thing, shooting star is basically a bearish candlestick pattern. Whenever a shooting star is basically formed after the bullish candlestick patterns are created, then you have to be cautious and accordingly you have to take your or resize your position. So that's what for this video. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. In our next videos, what we will do actually, we will be creating a lot of videos or lot of what I can say practical chart will take. On that we'll identify what types of chart these are basically. It may be a Marubojo, it may be a shooting star, it may be a paper umbrella, it may be some other candlestick pattern. So that we'll understand. Accordingly we'll identify the different candlestick pattern, and we'll understand what has happened after that, what price action has happened after that. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.